Subject Maths. Topic Addition with Carryover. Standard 3rd. Student, today we are going to learn an interesting topic in maths. So let's start. Student, what is there on the screen? Yes, correct. It's an ice cream. So let's count the ice creams. Okay. Now tell me, how many ice creams were there in the first box? Yes, correct. 3 ice creams. Now count the next box. How many ice creams are there in the second box? Yes, correct. 3. So, altogether, how many ice creams were there? Think and say. Yes, correct. 3 ice cream in the first box and 3 ice cream in the second box. So, 3 plus 3 is 6. Correct. So, altogether there are 6 ice creams. Very good, student. Now what is there on the screen? Yes, there are chocolates. Now student, tell me, in the first box, how many chocolates were there? And in the second box, how many chocolates were there? Yes, correct. In the first box, there are 3 chocolates and in the second box, there are 3 chocolates. So, altogether, how many chocolates were there? Yes, correct. So, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, there are 4 chocolates altogether. Correct, student. Well done. So, student, 6 ice creams plus 4 chocolates is equal to how much? Think and say. Yes, correct. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Very good, student. Now, how many sticks were there on the screen? Let's count, student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. So, there are 10 sticks on the screen. So, student, a group of 10 things is called a 10. So, in one bundle, how many sticks were there? Yes, correct. In one bundle, there are 10 sticks. So, 10 sticks makes one bundle. So, it becomes 110. Understood, student? So, student, how many bundles of sticks were there on the screen? Yes, there are 2 bundles of sticks. And in one bundle, how many sticks were there? Yes, correct. In one bundle, there are 10 sticks. So, student, 10 sticks in one bundle and 10 sticks in another bundle. So, 10 plus 10 is equal to, yes, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 sticks. Correct, student. Now, students, there are 3 bundle of sticks. So, as you know, in one bundle there are 10 sticks. So, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to how much, student? Yes, correct, student. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. You are right. Now, how many bundles of sticks were there on the screen? Yes, there are 2 bundles of sticks and 3 loose sticks were there. So, student, in one bundle there are 10 sticks and there are 2 bundles of sticks. So 10 plus 10 and plus 3 loose sticks. So how many sticks were there altogether? Yes, 10 plus 10 plus 3 is 23. Correct, student? Yes. Now here one bundle of sticks were there and 9 loose sticks were there. So student, in one bundle there are 10 sticks and plus 9 loose sticks. So 10 plus 9 is equal to how much, student? Yes, correct. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19 sticks were there. Have you understood, student? So student, before starting our today's topic, let us revise some simple addition. So 25 plus 32. So student, let's add 5 plus 2 first. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Correct, student. Then the next one is 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3, student? Yes, 2 plus 3 is 5. Correct. So the correct answer is 25 plus 32 is equal to 57. Now have you understood, student? Now student, the next sum is 15 plus 10. So what is 15 plus 10? So let's add the number. So 5 plus 0 is correct, 5, and 1 plus 1 is, yes, 2. So 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. Very good, children. Yes, now here is your correct answer. Now have you understood, student, how to do simple addition? Now let's do some homework. Now here is a homework for you. 45 plus 32 is, yes, you have to write the answer. 52 plus 31. What will be the answer, student? Now the next one is 60 plus 30. Now student, you have to write the correct answer. Okay. Now let's begin with our addition with carryover. So let's start. So student, let's do the given sum. First we will write the tens and units. Now 16 plus 8. And in the units we have 6 and 8. And in the tens we have 1. Now, in order to begin addition, children, first let us start the units. That is 6 units plus 8 units, which will be equal to 14 units. We will split 14 units and it will be 110 and 4 units. Now we shall carry over 110 made from 10 units. That is, we will move it to the tens column. So below tens write 1. Now 110 plus 110 is 2 tens and 4 is there remaining in the units column. Now 2 tens and 4 units means 24. So children, 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. So the answer is 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. Have you understood, student? Now let's see the next sum. 27 plus 15. So here first we will write tens and units. And in the units we have 7 and 5. And in the tens we have 2 and 1. Now, in order to begin addition, first let us start the units. That is 7 units plus 5 units, which will be equal to 12 units. Now, children, so 12 units means now we will make a bundle of 10 stick. So, here we have made one bundle of 10 stick. And we have 2 loose stick. So that means 1 10 and 2 units. Now we shall carry over 1 10 made from 10 units. That is, we will move it to the tens column. So below tens we will write 1. Now 1 10 plus 2 10 plus 1 10 is 4 tens, and 2 is there remaining in the unit column. Now 4 tens and 2 units means 42. So 27 plus 15 is equal to 42. Have you understood, student? Now let's see the next one. The next one is 13 plus 28. Again we have to write first tens and units. So in the unit we have 3 and 8, and in the tens we have 1 and 2. So student, in order to begin addition, first let us start the units. That is 3 units plus 8 units, which will be equal to 11 units. So student, 3 loose stick plus 8 loose stick, which will be equal to 11 loose stick. Now here we will make a bundle of 10 loose stick. In one bundle there is 10 loose sticks. So which mean 1 10 and 1 unit. Now we shall carry over 1 10 made from 10 units. That is, we will move it to the tens column. So below tens write 1. Now 1 10 plus 1 10 plus 2 tens is 4 tens, and 1 is there remaining in the unit column. Now 4 tens and 1 unit means 41. So student, 13 plus 28 is equal to 41. Have you understood, student? Now student, let's see the next sum, that is, so the next sum is 36 plus 26. So again we have to write first tens and then units. So student, in the units place we have 6 and 6, and in the tens we have 3 and 2. Now in order to begin addition, first let us start the units, that is 6 units plus 6 units, which will be equal to 12 units. We will split 12 units and it will be 110 and 2 units. So student, from 12 units we will make one bundle of 10 stick. So one bundle of 10 stick means 110 and the remaining 2 is 2 units. Now we shall carry over 110 made from 10 units, that is we will move it to the tens column. So below tens write 1. Now 110 plus 3 tens plus 2 tens is 6 tens and 2 is there remaining in the unit column. Now 6 tens and 2 units means 62. So student, 36 plus 26 is equal to 62. Have you understood, student? Now let's see the next sum. 48 plus 25. So first we will write tens and units. So in units we have 8 units and 5 units. So in order to begin addition, first we will start the units. So 8 units plus 5 units, which will be equal to 13 units. Now we will split 13 units and it will be 110 and 3 units. Now we shall carry over 110 made from 10 units, that is we will move it to the tens column. So below tens write 1. Now 110 plus 4 tens plus 2 tens is 7 tens and 3 units means 73. So 48 plus 25 is equal to 73. Have you understood, student? So the next sum is 57 plus 28. So student, in the unit column we have 7 unit and 8 unit. So in order to begin addition, first let us start the units. So children, 7 units plus 8 units, which will be equal to 15 units. Now we will split 15 units and it will be 110 and 5 units. Now we shall carry over 110 made from 10 units, that is we will move it to the tens column. So below tens write 1. Now 110 plus 5 tens plus 2 tens is 8 tens and 5 is there remaining in the units column. Now 8 tens and 5 units means 85. So 57 plus 28 is equal to 85. Now children, 5 loose stick plus 5 loose stick is equal to 10 loose stick, which will be 1 bundle of 10 loose stick means 110. 10 bundle of sticks means 10 tens of sticks makes 100 sticks. So student, on the screen you can see a necklace. One necklace is made of 10 beads. So 9 beads and 1 beads together make 10 beads. A group of 10 things is called a 10. So One necklace is made of 10 beads. Have you understood, student? So student, on the screen there is 100, 1/10 and 2 units. Then 200, 1/10 and 5 units. So let's do the sum. 112 plus 215. So here we will do the unit place first. So student, in the unit place there is 2 units and 5 units. So 2 units plus 5 units is 7 units. Now let's do the tens place. Now in tens place there are 1/10 plus 1/10. So 2 tens. Now in 100 place there are 100 plus 200. So it is 300. So we got 300, 2 tens and 7 units. So 112 plus 215 is 327. Have you understood, student? Carry out and observe the following additions. So let's see some of the additions. 53 plus 32. So in the unit place 3 plus 2 is 5 and in the 10 place 5 plus 3 is 8. Now next is 32 plus 53. So in the unit 3 plus 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 5 is 8. Now let's see the next one. 64 plus 12. In the unit place 4 plus 2 is 6. In the tens place 6 plus 1 is 7. Now let's see the next. 12 plus 64. So in the unit place 2 plus 4 is 6 and in the tens place 1 plus 6 is 7. So here also we got 76. So student, even when the order of the numbers is changed, they add up to the same number. Understood, student? If we change the order also, we will get the same answer. Now student, let's see the next one. 356 plus 203. So let's solve first unit place. So in the unit place we have 6 unit plus 3 unit. So 6 plus 3 is 9 units. Correct. Now let's solve the tens place. So in the tens place we have 5 tens plus 2 tens is 7 tens. Now let's see the last one. In the 100 place we have 300. So 300. So the answer will be 3 because there is no number. So the answer will be 3. So 356 plus 23 is equal to 379. Have you understood, student? Now student, let's see the next one. 605 plus 143. And in the unit we have 5 units plus 3 units. Then in the tens we have 0 and 4. In the 100 we have 600 and 100. So children, first let us start the unit, that is 5 unit plus 3 unit, which will be equal to 8 units. So the next we will solve 10. So 0 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 4 tens. Now the next is 100. So 600 plus 100 is equal to 700. Now student, 700, 4 tens and 8 units means 748. So 605 plus 143 is 748. Have you understood, student? So student, let's solve the next one. So here the number is 152 plus 173. So let's start. Now here also first we have to solve the unit place. So in the unit place we have 2 and 3. So 2 units plus 3 units is 5 units. Then let's solve the tens. So 5 tens plus 7 tens is equal to 12 tens. 12 tens make 100 and 2 tens. So we write this new 100 in the 100 place. So we have 2 left in the tens place. We add the hundreds. So the earlier 200 and one new 100 together make 300. So student, 152 plus 173 is 325. The total is 325. Have you understood, student? Now let's see the next sum. 128 plus 260. So here first we will add the unit place. In the unit place we have 8 units and 6 units. So on adding the units we get 14 units. 14 units make 110 and 4 units. Let's take this 10 to the tens place. Look at the addition now, children. 4 units left in the units place. In the tens place, we add this new 10 to the 2 tens and 1 10 already there. Thus, we get 4 tens. We write these under the line in the tens place. The digit in the 100 place add up to 3. We write that in the 100 place under the line. Thus, the addition of the two numbers given is 300, 4 tens and 4 units. That is 102 tens plus 8 units plus 201 tens plus 6 units is 344. So the total answer is 344. Now have you understood, student? Now student, carry out the additions given below. This you have to do on your own. Understood, student? Thank you, student. Keep practicing.